Siya yung nagsabing, serve your employees first, or take care of your employees first, and they will take care of your business. No? So siya yung pinaka pakiramdam ko, and also one of the leaders that I admire, because ano yun he puts his money where his mouth is when it comes to serving his people. No? So a good servant leader shares powers and authority so people can act and grow. How do I effectively equip people so that they can do their job, succeed, and maybe earn better livelihood because they're successful. No? So, consultative, collaborative ang isang servant leader. Humility is the next principle of leadership. Leadership without ego, valuing other people's contribution. They appreciate the contribution of their team members. They listen to people. They value the idea of others. No? They recognize their own ignorance. So yan yung yan yung humility as a principle of servant leadership.